If you're facing the frustrating issue of your Oculus Quest 2 refusing to turn on, you're not alone. There could be several reasons behind this problem. But let's start with the basics. First and foremost, ensure that your Oculus Quest headset is fully charged. If it hasn't been charged at all or isn't currently plugged in, your headset, console, and associated accessories may not function properly. So, plug your headset in and let it charge for a few hours. Step 1. Perform a hard reboot. Performing a hard reboot is rather simple. To do this, press and hold the power button for more than 30 seconds. You might need to hold it for around 60 seconds even in some cases. Once you see the LED light turn white, you can let go of the power button, as this is the indication that the device has been hard rebooted. See if that fixes the problem for you. Step 2. Check your charging cable. It is possible that your Oculus Quest may not be turning on because it does not have enough charge to boot up. These devices can drain the battery pretty quickly if there is no charging light indicator, even if you have plugged it in correctly. Chances are that your charging cable may have malfunctioned, in which case you will have to try an alternate charging cable to see if that gets your headset to charge. Step 3. Try booting into the boot menu. First of all, hold down the power button and the volume down button on your headset simultaneously for more than 20 seconds. Once you do that, the device should boot into the boot menu. From there, you can use the volume keys to navigate to the exit and boot device option, and then press the power button to confirm the action. See if that gets you back in. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. First of all, you will have to boot into the boot menu. To do this, press and hold the power and volume down buttons on your headset until you see the boot menu appear. On the boot menu, use the volume keys to navigate through the options and choose the factory reset option. Press the power button to confirm your choice. Confirm your action on any follow-up dialogues. With that done, your headset will now be restored to its factory defaults. After that, see if the headset powers on now. If none of these steps work, it's advisable to reach out to the Meta or Oculus support team for further assistance. There might be a more serious power-related issue with your console that needs their attention. In summary, ensuring your headset is charged and troubleshooting the power source are essential steps in resolving most Oculus Quest startup issues. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Your support means the world to us.